Mm. Hello everyone, I welcome you all in next video of the numerical question which is based on the types of AC. Okay, तो एग्ज़ाम में आपसे पूछ लिया जाएगा कि प्रूव कीजिए कि पॉजिटिव साइकिल में जो आई एवरेज की वैल्यू होगी वो 2i बाई आई नॉट बाई पाई होगी और वी एवरेज की जो वैल्यू होगी वो 2v नॉट बाई पाई होगी। ओके, सीधा आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा तो आपको प्रूव क्या करना है। ओके, तो जैसा पिछले लेक्चर में हमने देखा था कि जो एक कंप्लीट साइकिल में एवरेज वैल्यू क्या होगी वो ज़ीरो होगी, चाहे आप आई एवरेज कैलकुलेट कर लें या वी एवरेज कैलकुलेट कर लें। ओके, तो सबसे पहले हम यहाँ देखने जा रहे हैं वैल्यू ऑफ आई एवरेज इन पॉजिटिव साइकिल। ओके, सबसे पहले वी आर कंसिडरिंग दैट एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी of source is omega. Okay, time period is capital T, and next frequency is small f, and next the value of time period is t, frequency is f. Okay, now we are considering it with waveform. Okay, suppose this is the waveform, so we are how we can calculate the limit. हम लिमिट का पता कैसे करेंगे? सपोज ये ज़ीरो है, ये आपका t/2 होगा और ये आपका कैपिटल T होगा। हमें कैलकुलेट करना है पॉजिटिव हाफ में वैल्यू ऑफ आई एवरेज। ओके, तो हम इसको क्या करेंगे, अगेन इसको आई एवरेज के फॉर्मूले पे पुट करके इंटीग्रेशन करके हम इसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे। ओके, सो जैसा हमें पता है दैट एनी इंस्टेंट वैल्यू ऑफ आई इज आई नॉट साइन ऑफ ओमेगा टी। ओके, सो नाउ वी नो that I average is given as इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ वॉट हमारी जो लिमिट थी वो क्या थी, वो हमारी लिमिट थी 0 से t/2। ओके, एंड हेयर I dt अपॉन t/2। ओके, सो दिस इज द एवरेज वैल्यू फॉर पॉजिटिव हाफ। ओके, पॉजिटिव हाफ के लिए ये हमारी एवरेज वैल्यू है। नेक्स्ट I average equal to, we are taking this outside, it is here t/2, so outside ये आपका हो जाएगा 2/t। ओके, इंटीग्रेशन लिमिट 0 to t/2 and here I dt। okay, this is our equation 1. So I equation 1 we are putting here I average equal to 2/t integration over 0 to t/2, and what is the value of I? So value of I is I naught sin of omega t dt। okay, so I naught is again constant, जैसा कि पहले लेक्चर में हमने देखा था। तो आई एवरेज आपका हो जाएगा 2i naught by t, then integration over 0 to t/2 and here sin of omega t dt। okay, now it is a simple integration। okay, so it will become I average equal to 2i naught by t, here what is the integration of sin theta? It is cos theta, so the integration of sin theta is minus of cos omega t upon omega, and what are the limit 0 to t/2। Okay, so now we are taking this minus and this omega is outside, so minus 2 I naught upon omega into capital T, here cos of omega t, it is small t, okay, sorry for mistake, it is a small t, cos of omega t is cos of omega t, and limit is 0 to t by 2. Next, till there is clear, so now we are putting the limit, is upper limit is t by 2 and lower limit is 0. Okay, so minus 2 I naught by omega of t, here cos of omega t by 2. Okay, and minus, here we are putting now lower limit, so it will be cos of 0. Okay, and the, as we know that omega t, omega into capital T is 2 pi. Okay, so what will be the value of omega t by 2, and omega t by 2 will be, and omega, so omega t by 2 will be equal to pi. Okay, now we are putting these values here, so it will become I average equal to what next, minus of 2 I naught upon 2 pi. Okay, and here cos of what is omega t by 2, it is pi. Okay, so cos of pi minus cos of 0. Okay, now what next? So next is I average equal to minus 2 I naught by 2 pi. Here what is the value of cos of pi? It is minus 1, so it is minus 1, and here minus, and cos of 0 is again minus 1. Okay, sorry, it will become positive 1. Cos of pi is 1, cos of 0 is 1, and cos of pi is minus 1, and here it will become minus of minus 1. Sorry, it is minus of 1 only, so this will become I average equal to 2 to cancel. Okay, it is minus I naught by pi, and next is minus of 2, so it will become I average equal to 2 I naught by pi. Okay, so this is a simple question and simple explanation. सो अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया जाए कि पॉजिटिव साइकिल में AC की एवरेज वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करें, तो आप यहाँ तक कर दें, इट इज़ सफिशिएंट, हैंस प्रूव्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट हम देख लेते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ V एवरेज. सेम कैलकुलेशन एंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज सेम. ओके, I think it is clear. You can note down or you can see the video very next time. Now we are taking few explanation and we are solving. Okay, so the value of what will be the expression of voltage? It will be V equal to V naught sine of omega t. Okay, same here. Okay, then what will be the average value? So V average will be equal to integration for the positive half, same, it is 0 to t by 2, and value of here is V dt, okay, upon t by 2. So this is the average value. Suppose it is equation number 1. So now we are taking V average, this t by 2 become outside, so it will be equal to 2 by t integration over 0 to t by 2, okay, here v dt. So now equation 1 y, equation number 1. What next? So v की जो वैल्यू है इट इज़ v नॉट साइन ऑफ ओमेगा टी, हम यहाँ पुट कर देंगे इसको, ओके. v एवरेज इक्वल टू 2 0 to t by 2, this is the limit, okay. And next is what is v? So v is v naught sin of omega t, okay. Since it is again constant, so we are taking it outside, okay. So what is v average? Okay. So here हमने देखा कि v average हम यहाँ कैलकुलेट करेंगे, ये कांस्टेंट है, इसको हम बाहर ले लेंगे, ओके. सो क्या हो जाएगा 2v नॉट अपॉन t, इंटीग्रेशन सेम है आपका 0 to t by 2 and here sin of omega t dt, okay. Next it is 2v naught upon t, integration over 0 to t by 2, okay. Now we are integrating directly, so it will become, what is the integration of sine? It is minus of cos omega t, okay. So it will become minus of cos of omega t upon omega, okay. And what are limit? So lower limit is 0 and upper limit is t by 2. Now next it is, we are taking this minus and this omega is outside, okay. So here 2v naught by omega into capital T, here is cos of omega into t. What is the limit? 0 to t by 2. Now next we are putting this limit, okay. It is minus of 2v naught upon omega into capital T, and what is here? It is cos of omega into t by 2 minus cos of 0, okay. Again the same situation जो हमने पहले देखी थी. सो हेयर v एवरेज आपका हो जाएगा माइनस 2v नॉट अपॉन ओमेगा टी इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई, ओके. एंड हेयर इट इज़ ओमेगा टी बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू कॉस पाई, ओके. एंड cos of it is cos of 0, okay. So it is minus 2v naught upon 2 pi, 2 is cancel out, and here is cos of 0 is minus 1 and here is minus of 1, okay. So this minus is there and cos 0 is 1, okay. So it will become v average equal to minus v naught upon pi into minus of 2. So v average will become v naught by pi. So dear student, this is all about the average calculation of AC power and EC voltage and AC current. I think it is clear to you. Thank you very much.